Myself, Asif Kasi. I made a demo script for you, which extract profile of people who engaged on the post, also the comments as per your requirement. Let me show you the demo. It will open the web browser. Now it's signing in. Now it will open the link of the any post I gave. Now it will open the new tab and extract the profile of likes. These are the profile of likes. Let me show you. Like this, Sangin Khalji. It's the profile link. Here it is, and also the comments. These are the comments. Let me show you. Sakib here. Sakib here. Comment this. This. If you found the demo video satisfied and would like to proceed further, I kindly request you to reach out to me on the Upwork for detailed discussion. Any suggestion you may have or to clarify any other requirements you might have in mind. I would also like to mention that I have already developed a script for this project, which means that approximately 50% of the work has been completed. By assigning the project to me, you can accept a fast turnaround time as I am fully prepared to deliver the final product as quick as possible while ensuring it meets all your specified requirements. Thank you.